Hello everyone, I'm back with another perfect tool. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use an electric sander. Let's get started. Ronix 6404 is ideal for smoothing, finishing the surfaces, sanding, polishing, and more. Its robust 230-watt motor moves the sanding paper in circular motions at the high speed of 13,000 RPM, which is great. To attach the sandpaper to the pad, you just have to lift the clamps, put the sandpaper in place, and let them go. Let's do the same thing for the other side. Again, lift the clamps, put it in its place, and let them go. We're all set to go. Always remember, safety first. So, wear protective glasses and gloves. All right, ready. Here is a piece of wood which I want to sand, but before starting to sand, there are some tips that you may need to know. For example, don't put too much pressure on your device, just hold it firmly and keep it moving back and forward. That's the only way that you want to scratch the surface of your material. And also, don't tilt your device. Keep it level or you will leave marks. The good news is, it comes to corner, so if you need to sand the inside corners of your project, this is a perfect tool to get your job done fast and easy. Wow, this one's pretty good in terms of vibration. Your hand will never get tired even after long hours of working. As it's light and compact, it provides the best control. This was all you need to know about Ronix 6404 electric sander. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Ronix premium quality.